A visit to the doctor. Last week, I did not feel well. I had a sore throat and a fever. I also had a bad cough. I decided to go to the doctor. First, I called the doctor's office to make an appointment. The receptionist answered the phone. "Hello, doctor's office. How can I help you?" she said. I told her that I was sick. She asked for my name and phone number. Then she said, "The doctor can see you tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. The next day, I went to the doctor's office. It was not far from my house. I arrived 10 minutes early. I had to fill out a form with my personal information. Then I sat in the waiting room. There were other patients waiting too. Some people read magazines. Others looked at their phones. I waited for about 15 minutes. A nurse called my name. "Please come with me," she said. She took me to a small room. First, she checked my weight on a scale. Then she measured my height. The nurse took my temperature with a thermometer. "You have a fever," she said. "Your temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius." She also checked my blood pressure. After that, the nurse left. I waited for the doctor. 5 minutes later, the doctor came into the room. "Good morning," he said. "What seems to be the problem?" I told the doctor about my sore throat, fever, and cough. He listened carefully. Then he said, "Let me examine you." The doctor looked at my throat with a small light. "Your throat is very red," he said. He also listened to my chest with a stethoscope. "Take a deep breath," he told me. I breathed in and out. After the examination, the doctor said, "You have a throat infection. You need to take antibiotics." He wrote a prescription for medicine. The doctor gave me advice. Drink plenty of water. Get lots of rest. Take the medicine 3 times a day after meals. You should feel better in a few days. I thanked the doctor and left the room. At the front desk, I paid for my visit. The receptionist gave me a receipt. Next, I went to the pharmacy to get my medicine. The pharmacist explained how to take the antibiotics. I followed the doctor's advice. I stayed at home and rested. I drank lots of water and took my medicine. After 3 days, I felt much better. It is important to see a doctor when you are sick. The doctor can help you get well again.